So we'll see if it works. Deconstructed lamp. I'm going to close the circuit with these pliers. Now, the experiment is I now have an insulator, piece of glass, that I want to use, without shocking myself, to close the circuit. Safety first. So, how did I say we get electricity? Electricity comes from what?
Atoms.
Atoms doing what? Moving around. Excited atoms. So I have an insulator. If I excite, let's see if we're lucky with trial number 8. No, it's not going to work for me. Yeah, it's a good try. I was hoping the last one would work. But you excite the atoms to the point where the glass starts melting, and the light is supposed to light up. That is the way I was taught it. I have yet to make it work. But it does work. I can even show you a video on it. It just won't work for me. So, we're going to continue with circuits. You're going to build your own circuits. So we have different labs at each table group. So what I need you to do is, whoever the computer is closest to, I need you to log in and go to Edmodo. Each table group has enough materials for 2 labs, except for the Bonilla table. They only have enough for 1. So, log into the computer, go to Edmodo. Everyone else can take that plastic-coated sheet. There is 1 or 2 of them at your table, and start sorting out your parts. So this table has 2 completely different labs. This table has 1 lab. This table has 1 lab. These 2 tables only have 1 lab, and you guys have 2 labs. So go ahead and sort out your materials.
Now, everybody has the same amount of everything. Miss Bogowski, this is a very nice breadboard.
Yeah, they're all right. They're working pretty nice. Oh, no, what did you want to tell me?
My dad said if you wanted, he had a $80 and that you could email him.
Yeah, write it down and then put it on my desk.
And now let's look up what his email is. Radio Shack. What is Lego Shack?
Wait, is your speaker supposed to be attached to
Hey, Eduardo, shut up. My dad literally sent me this in the middle of second period.
Make sure they have the same parts.
Yeah, if you look at full circuit, nothing.
How do you delete? You know how to delete it?
No, I have mine since 7. Would these be able to electrocute me, do you think?
Yes.
Alex, turn off one of those lights.
Better?
Alright, so Edmodo. Foundations of Tech. Folders. Unit 4. Now here's where it gets fun. On your paper, over here on the left-hand side, it says how something works. Have you see that? Show that to your computer operator. So this group has how an oscillator works. So you're going to look here in the green list. Find your thing. They're doing oscillators, so they need to pull up PowerPoint presentation 4411. Transistors. You either have NPN or PNP. Which paper do you have?
We got both. 447? She said 447?
Yeah. Try it.
Alright, when you find your PowerPoint, go ahead and open it, and you're going to see this. This is PowerPoint Online. We do not want this. I want you to go ahead and download the PowerPoint. And then open that download.
Mine said diode.
Diode, yeah.
But hers says resistance.
Yeah, for the NPN.
Choose either one of these, it really doesn't matter. Any settings, okay. And then enable editing, click on that. And then this is what I want you to have on the screen. I want you to have the slide, and I want you to be able to see the other slides over here. Why do I want you to have this? Let's see here. We have our objectives for this lab. You're going to share the objectives with your group, and you're going to make a prediction. What do you think is going to happen? You've already inventoried your parts. And the next step after you make your prediction is you're going to build the circuit. Prediction, hypothesis, yes. So, on this slide, you can, since we're looking at it in PowerPoint itself, click on the picture. And then you can zoom in so you can see what goes where better. Shay. Get your hand up. I was using my computer. So we're going to make our circuit. You're going to observe what's going on and write your observations down. And then you're going to summarize what happened. Now I have compared here. So this table group can compare and see, did yours work just like ours? Same with this table group. Transistors. You had two different transistors, so you can compare. How did your transistor work differently or the same as ours? This table cannot compare because they're doing two totally different things. And that table over there cannot compare because they are only doing one thing. Understand? Who might compare? Otherwise, we're all summarizing.
Each individual person has to do that.
Each individual, I want individual predictions, individual observations. So the predictions definitely should be different. The observations are going to be the same because you're all looking at the same thing. The summary is going to be different because your predictions are different. So we're not building yet. Get out your notebook, get out a piece of paper, make a prediction. What do you think will happen in the circuit you are making?
Shakira, can I have a sheet of paper?
Yes. What was that last one that was missing?
The camera. I want to keep
For all the teachers I have over there, that's the only one I don't know. No, you don't understand how many of these teachers I have over there. Only one I understand. There's only me.
Doesn't want to talk about it, so he doesn't.
You know what that I have over there in the base?
Not listening to Alex, apparently.
What, Alex? You got all my attention. What?
There I have that one. There I don't have enough.
About 30 seconds ago.
You're predicting. What do you think will happen? Based on the objection.
Yeah, also about
Excuse me. I mean, Eric, what's wrong with you?
He doesn't want to say it, doesn't have to.
It's just these two guys are just.
Oh, see, so Alex is be quiet.
What happens? works because these guys are here. Eduardo, give me the battery back.
Here, give him the battery back. These are batteries.
Actually, we're not sure first person. Yeah, I think the battery actually might be dead.
I told you he was there. We already arm wrestled.
Wait, what's she say?
You already arm wrestled Sheepy.
Oh,
To be fair, Bureau probably beat him.
no. She just fished out. She already knows she's gonna
That's what you get.
Oh, we worked on that. Even that attitude, I mean, I'm just asking a question.
You're giving her attitude. And I'm trying to get this thing to work. Okay. Fine. I'll put it where it wants me to put it.
If I see you in that outfit again, I'm going to write you up.
Okay.
What do we get the feeling that the battery's dead?
Charging station, yeah.
Oh, we killed it. Oh.
No, I actually don't.
Just take it here. I know, just take it, I'll take that one, it's okay. Huh? It's school. I know it's
Where's the other girl?
Well, if you're all set with your writing, go ahead and start building. So when you are comfortable and are ready to start building, you may do so if you have not already started.
Prediction on how this is going to work. Also, I predict the battery's dead. Either that or all the lights are dead or something. This is really getting on my nerves. Hey, Water, start your battery. I want to see if it's actually just the battery. You know what? I'm going to do it simple. Very, very simple. Oh, it is working. It's just, you can't actually see it because it's so...
Right, so are we ready to build?
Miss Bogowski, the light just burned out in front of me. It lit, burned, and then turned off. Yeah.
What is that one?
They're in the way. So, look at the picture.
Okay. Burned out lights over here. I know the burned out because that one just burned me and no I didn't. Yeah. That one just burned in front of me and I inhaled the smoke, which was not nice.
Yeah. So the green one goes to the other board. Oh, it's 22. It doesn't matter. The wires, it doesn't matter what color they are.
No.
Okay.
You just showed me a bunch of slides.
Exactly.
Okay, but
You're writing predictions on how do you think the circuit is gonna work.
That was really bright. Not much to do. You just put this in there. Ta-da! It works. And this time I didn't either burn a light or electrocute myself. Miss Vygotsky, I got it to work, but one of the lights also died and smoked in my face. We don't know where the other one is. Hold on, this one. The color. It's the one that...
Get out.
Huh?
Get out.
Out?
Out.
Out the room?
Do you see anybody else being stupid in front of this camera?
Oh, okay, I'm sorry.
That's the dead one.
Yes. Just throw that away.
I really have a...
They both work?
believe this one's dead too, but I'm not completely sure. So I should test this one. That one, yeah.
You only need one. Do you have a... All right. It's on the floor by your foot.
And then the other one, put it in D. What about the other 14? Are you talking about the new one? Yeah, the new one. That one goes in 16J. 16J. And then this one goes. Okay, what's the next one? I 17.
Now, don't forget you have a third person in your group. So, no, you have two sets. Are you sorting out the sets? Okay.
We're trying to put the materials out first.
Okay. You have two sets. You're going to build one, and you're going to build one. So that means you go like this. One for you, one for me. One for you.
It looks like this is.
You're not doing NPN. So stop looking at NPN. You're doing PNP.
Try another broken one.
Okay. Throw it away.
Just put it in, bro. Nice battery. It's I think the first one. Yeah, the first row. I think. Yeah, it's on the first row.
Is that red, red, brown, gold? Is that
Yeah.
red, red, black?
Yes.
So we can still use it. It's in. Wait, other way, other way.
No.
It did, right?
Yeah, turn around.
Yeah, turn.
Turn the battery around.
The battery. No, like. Put it in.
Don't zap yourself.
Stop. Just push it. It's gonna click.
Now it doesn't work.
That's because it can't. Is it working? No.
The question is, did you short it out?
Yeah.
Just disconnect. Why don't we just use the other one?
So use the other one.
Wait, which other one?
Other light bulb. LED.
So leave this unplugged.
Because you're going to get shot.
Which one did it go through? Does it matter?
Yes.
Okay.
What was
Right there. Right there.
You're not really getting.
Or do we have the light bulb in the right way? Switch it around.
If you want, I can hold it for you. No, never mind.
I can't see.
Was it in
Alex, get that.
this one? It was in.
It wasn't.
Harris, get that.
with this. The other one, this thing.
Yeah, it's supposed to be lined up.
Wait, can someone hold this?
Yeah, so I guess you get
The Mac Airs, I haven't had a chance to do anything yet. Yeah. That is not correct. That looks nothing like the picture. Does it work? Okay, did you do the experiment slide? Okay, so go to do the experiment slide. Go to do the experiment slide. Scroll down.
So this, no, first one we got the wrong one. This is a positive. Positive stick on.
And then you gotta zoom out.
Okay. One, you have friends.
I'm a surprise.
J.
All right. So since it's working, so we've got our electricity with a metal conductor. So now, to excite the atoms, now watch the bulb. So excited atoms. So like I said, as those atoms are excited, they dance around, putting off those electrical sparks, and that's what's actually completing the circuit, not the glass itself. So the difference from last week and this week was last week I was using glass rods. So they're a rod. They're all one piece solid. Whereas this week I'm using glass tubing, which is hollow. So this had too much mass, so I couldn't excite it enough for it to give off those electron particles. Whereas the glass tubing is hollow, it has less mass, it's easier to excite. And that's how you do a safe science experiment with no blowing up, like on the news.